All right, welcome back, everybody. It is a Monday morning. It is September the 22nd, and believe it or not, it is the first day of fall on our Monday, September 22nd, and it does not feel anything like that. Humidity is fairly high for this morning, and it's going to be very hot this afternoon. We're talking highs into the upper 90s and lower 100s, but should be a beautiful day with lots of sunshine and some cumulus clouds kind of streaming through. That'll be ahead of our cold front. It tries to approach on Tuesday afternoon into Tuesday evening, so we will see some scattered showers and storms along that cold front alongside much cooler weather behind it heading into Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday for the second half of the week. This morning it is 74 degrees into downtown San Angelo with clear skies out there and just a mild feel across San Angelo and most of the state of Texas for this morning. Right around 77 into Houston and Corpus Christi, College Station at 75, and then Dallas right around 74 with San Angelo for our Monday morning. That temperature and heat index forecast for today, with the humidity around, we will have feel-like temperatures slightly warmer than actual air temperatures. So right around 1 is how it'll feel right around 2 or 3 o'clock for today in Midland. Could see heat indices and sunspots up to 105 to maybe 107. So make sure you're drinking water and taking those breaks indoors if you have to work outside. Region-wide highs in the upper 90s and lower 100s. Talking 99 into Midland and Garden City, 100 through Crane. Widespread triple digits into the Big Country, right around 102 into Aspermont this afternoon. And a little bit cooler into the Concho Valley, but still hot enough. Around 95 into Menard and into Brady for our Monday. Looking at Futurecast though, we're looking at a beautiful stretch of weather for today. Lots of sunshine, a few clouds kind of streaming through. But heading into Tuesday, that front does approach. And we do have a small shot for some of these to become strong to severe with some of those storms. You can see that green shading there from the Storm Prediction Center, a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk. And maybe some locally heavy rainfall in some of these cells as that front tries to move through. But it moves through fairly quickly, and by the time we get into Wednesday afternoon, I think the front will be right along that Interstate 10 corridor and should continue to push southward and dry us out nicely heading into our Thursday and Friday. Otherwise, though, looking at that 7-day forecast, you can see just that. Right now, 30 to 40% coverage on our Tuesday and Wednesday, and we dry out fairly quickly heading into Thursday. High, 83 in Abilene on our Wednesday afternoon, 85 into San Angelo. And we try to warm up a little bit this weekend, but not going to be too hot out there into the lower 90s for Saturday and Sunday into Abilene and San Angelo. That Midland and Odessa 7-day forecast kind of beats to the same drum. Really hot today, hot tomorrow ahead of the front, and then we cool down substantially. 85 degrees on our Wednesday afternoon with those showers and storms kind of lingering through the morning hours. And then after that, we're looking dry as we go through Thursday through Sunday, right around 87 degrees by Sunday afternoon.